Board of Trustees. And I'm very happy. I have to mention the Head of Safety, Peace and Order, si Father. Ano ni Father? Walang nagkatigan, nakamurusa na lang mga dumol. So, congratulations. Thank you. Hindi ko na pag-iwato na yung hamba nila, but thank you very much to each and everyone for coming. Sinulog is one of the pride of the Chicks area. You bring pride and beauty to our district. Salamat din sa inyo. And of course, I hope that after or even during this merriment that we will be doing, let us not forget the reason why we are celebrating Sinulog. It is, of course, our faith in God. Ang pagpuo natin sa ato na pinalanggang na sa Sinulog, hindi na ginapagalitan. Pinaka-importante, let us thank everyone, our God, the blessings that we receive. Despite the fact na may mga challenges, but adlaw-adlaw, aral kita sa ginagawa kapadayon. Thank you very much. We love Kabangkalan and we love the Chicks area. Salamat po.
Magkakapit sa lahat, Congresswoman Mercedes Alvarez. Ayan, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, in every competition, we have this invited guests, no? Who are experts. Tama ba ginagawa niya may pinaka-good line ng obligasyon